Hi friends, do you own a e-commerce website and want to turn your visitors into customers? This video is for you. In this video, I am going to show you a simple solution to add a floating cart option at your e-commerce website through a plugin. This is a great plugin called e-commerce floating cart, and this is a very interactive floating cart for e-commerce, and it is really very helpful in enhancing or increasing the customer experience, and it is really going to increase your sales as well. So have you ever found yourself in a situation where the site visitors are adding your products to the cart but then leave your store without finalizing this purchase? So this is being a very common problem at e-commerce website, because somehow e-commerce does not provide a very interactive checkout option, and we certainly need to add certain options for that to enhance the customer experience and user experience as well. So with floating cart, not only you will make your site more interactive, a cart icon with the item count will always be visible to all your pages, and sliding cart will be triggered when your site visitors decide to purchase an item. So it is very helpful, and we are going to use this plugin. So I am going to add the link of purchase where you can get this plugin in the description of this video. You'll find everything, and you can get this plugin through the WP Themes website. So just follow the link given in the description of this video, and I'm going to take you to an overview of this plugin, how it gives an additional features to your e-commerce website. And this is being a demo website that I installed during one of my video, and this is fortunately a e-commerce website, and it has very simple cart option like this, and this is the being the general options. So when I will click to the order now, I need to add on cart and follow the same procedure as available in the e-commerce. Like this cart icon is available in the top of the page, and cart icon is not floating at all, of course, and the visitors need to find all these options through clicking on the next pages and finding on the next pages. And let us see what happens when we add this plugin. So I have this plugin, and I have the floating cart options plugin with me, and this is being the plugin. I will make a zip of it, and I'm just compressing zip. Okay, so this is being the zip of plugin file, and that we need to upload. And okay, and I'll go to the plugins, and this is being the demo site. I will click on add new and upload plugin, choose file, and I'll choose xt floating cart.zip and click on open, installing the plugin now. So it is not so technical. I'm just showing you how you can add the floating cart option with a simple plugin that is called xt commerce floating cart option. So okay, so plugin has been installed, and now we can activate it. Okay, so now we have this plugin and xt cart. Okay, so we can customize this plugin as well. So let us see what customization options is available. So there are many options available, and yeah, I'm not going to show you each and everything. It is very simple, and you can choose the option that you want on your website, and I'm simply showing you Ajax cart option. Okay, so force Ajax installation and all such things are here. Okay, so it is going to be stretch the video unnecessary. So this is being the option that you can use the WT WooCommerce floating cart option, and this is customize option. Cart setting is here. So okay, I'll show you in sort. Okay, it is again going to the customize page and overlay, color, cart setting, and all such things. So trigger cart position bottom right. Okay, so by default it is already set, but we can of course change these options at our plugin theme options. So WooCart floating cart option is here. So and we have this option, general options, cart setting options. So bottom right, you can place your cart anywhere as you want. And trigger setting, so cart trigger hidden, no, and click OK, and also things. Okay, and cart header, so shipping bar enabled and cart header message enabled. It is giving you very important and favorable features for your WooCommerce website. Header, close button, and also things are available. There are many options. You just need to explore all these things for your website. And cart body, you can cart body color, you can, okay, so you can decide the color as well. And cart product, shop product SKU, and you can enable these options. So just toggle and radio side buttons, so you will get the features. Cart footer, you can change. Cart coupons, so enable cart coupon form. Suggested products, okay, and cart menu item. Cart trigger shortcode, so everything is available here. Cart Z index, you can set. Visibility, yes, okay. Typography, cart extra, and JS API. So all these options for this plugin only, that is floating cart, XT WooCommerce floating cart, and you can set your all these options. I'm just hitting publish again. Okay, so let us see what we got. And I have not customized the plugin yet, as you seen in this video. I'm just through this video I'm just giving you the solution, and you can definitely set your options for your website as you want. And I'll just simply refresh this page. Hope it really works for me. So we don't have anything in our cart, so let us add a product in our cart first. And okay, so I'm adding this salad with mozzarella and add to cart. Okay, so we got this floating cart, and it is very simple. So it is very interactive checkout, and so checkout can be done directly from here. And it is again, so it is definitely going to increase the visual experience and visitor experience as well. So I believe this product is going to be helpful for your WooCommerce website, and you are going to use this. Just follow the link given in the description of this video to get this plugin. And okay, so I believe you are already a subscriber of this channel, and I'm going to bring wonderful plugins, utilities, and themes for you. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.